here's how we can exit the rescue mode on Google Pixel 11. So if you happen to go to the rescue mode, and if you go here for the first time, you might be surprised to see this Android logo with no command text. If that is the case, if this is where you are stuck, you want to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press volume up. So I'm gonna press and hold power, and then also press volume up, and there we go. And this is how it looks like if you are actually in the rescue mode. So you will see probably this text over here waiting for rescue commands, and nothing else on the screen, and you can keep pressing pretty much any button whatsoever or try to do anything, and most likely you will not be able to exit this rescue mode. So the only way to actually exit this mode is to be simply patient. Just leave your phone as it is for a couple of minutes, and after, like, I'm not sure how long exactly, but I feel like it's like 3 minutes or 4 minutes, up to 5 minutes or so, then you should be able to see the recovery mode. So just leave your phone for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna get back to it once you have any options. Alright, there we go, a couple of minutes have passed, and now we have access to the recovery mode. So now in this menu you can navigate by using volume buttons, so you can use volume down and volume up to choose a different option. And if you just want to exit and go back to the normal mode, you want to make sure that reboot system now is selected, and then just press power button to confirm. Your phone is going to reboot itself, and you will be back, and you can start using your phone again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.